Welcome coders. Today I have implemented this layout routes. So I have implemented this code. They are not descriptive. They are just giving the hints, but I have implemented it over here and I will show you the codes. We have created a component and we have created two layouts and marketing layout according to the code. Okay, according to this guideline, I have created these codes. So I have created marketing layout. So in the marketing layout, it has marketing pages, it has outlet. So outlet with the child component. Okay, so we have home and contact, and we have projects layout, and it has the outlet also, and we have these pages. Okay, and this is a neighbor. So actually what is happening, if we click in the home, I am getting home, then contact, then if I come to contact projects, so we are getting all the projects and edit projects. Okay, all projects. So this is very user friendly, and routes without a path, creating a new nesting for their children, but they don't add any segment to the URL. So you see this has no path. So create a new nesting for their children. So it will create a nesting for their children if it has not any path. You see it has not a path, so it will create nested. So these routes will render without any URL segment to the URL. Okay, so this is very descriptive. Even though if you don't understand, then I will make another example explanatory video, and in the next video I will discuss about the index route, and I have used index over here. If you don't understand, no worries. Go to the app. I have used indexed elements over here, not path. Okay, so if you don't understand, no worries. In the next tutorial you will understand everything, because in the next tutorial I will discuss this index route. Okay, then and we'll discuss basically layout is basically is used for header and footer, but as they are providing a separate example, so I have tried to implement this portion. But basically layout in the, if you go to the Next.js 15, you will see layouts are basically using for header and footer, or the, I mean common segments. Okay, but they are not using here like that way. So I tried to implement this portion. So they are just merely providing the hints, but I have implemented it. This is home, this is contact, this is contact, project, edit project, and I'm showing you all the pages. So this is the marketing layout, this is the project layout, and have some basic styling with Tailwind CSS4. And this is contact page, this is edit page, this is marketing home page, this is project page, and this is project home page, this is neighbor, and this is app.tsx. So this is layout. As it has no path, so this child element will render. As it has no any path, the child element will render. So if you don't understand index, no worries, I will have a discussion in the next tutorial. We will discuss about the index route. Okay, so in this section you have to understand these things. Route without a path, create a new nesting for their children. So it has no path, so this nesting portion will be rendered, but they do not add any segment to the URL. They will not add anything in the URL. Okay, okay, so I hope you got my point and you have understood everything. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, stay tuned. The next tutorial we will discuss about the React router version 7, route prefixes, dynamic segment, and index route. Okay, so see you soon.